Hello everyone. Welcome to the 5 Stars YouTube channel. In this video I am presenting to you top 5 best laptops for photo editing. As always, link to all products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. This top does not reflect my own opinion, but is based on the recommendations of experts in the market and consumers' feedback. Without further ado, let's get started. In number 5 in our best laptops list is Huawei MateBook X Pro. Not all MacBook lookalikes are made the same. The MateBook X Pro is one of the best laptops of 2018. The star of the show is a 3000 by 2000 pixel edge-to-edge display capable of producing 124% of the sRGB color spectrum. The display emits a blinding 458 nits. So you shouldn't have problems viewing the MateBook X Pro outside. Huawei's flagship laptop also has fast performance, a great keyboard and almost 10 hours of battery life packaged in an elegant design. Even better, the high-end version with an i7 processor, an NVIDIA GeForce MX 150 GPU, 16GB of RAM and a 512GB SSD goes for a reasonable price, making it one of the best-priced premium laptops you can buy. Frankly, we're stunned by Huawei's sophomore effort in the laptop category. From its slick, subtle design to its luxurious typing and navigating experience, and its powerhouse performance to its storied battery life, not to mention a sublime touchscreen, the Huawei MateBook X Pro is an incredible laptop. Its apparent flaws are few and far in between, like the lack of an SD card slot and webcam trick that's clever, but flawed nevertheless. All told, the MateBook X Pro will be one of the answers we give readers and friends when they ask the broadest of questions: what's the best laptop? For that, it's earned our Best in Class award. In number 4 in our best laptops for photo editing list is Apple 15 MacBook Pro. Apple fans who need a MacOS laptop for photo editing should look no further than the 15-inch MacBook Pro with Touch Bar. The company's Retina display is still among the best panels you'll find, capable of producing 126% of the sRGB spectrum with an excellent delta-E accuracy score of 0.2, closer to 0 is better. It also reaches 460 nits of brightness. The device has stellar performance courtesy of its Kaby Lake Intel i7 processor, discrete Radeon 560 graphics and a blazing quick SSD. Great battery life, a good keyboard and a sleek design are the icing on the cake. The updated 13-inch MacBook Pro has an equally brilliant display with True Tone, but we suspect photo editors will appreciate the extra real estate offered by the 15-inch model. The MacBook Pro 2018 15-inch is a more impressive upgrade over last year's model, with the revised processor and increased RAM amount making a big difference in performance. If you're a professional looking for a portable Apple device, then the MacBook Pro 2018 15-inch will be very tempting. However, this still doesn't feel like a machine designed to tempt Windows users, who will likely be frustrated by some of Apple's quirks and high price tag. Limiting the number of ports to a handful of USB-C connections is fine in modern consumer devices, but for professionals who require legacy connections, having to use an adapter, which isn't included despite the high price, won't cut it. And, while we do love the thin and light design of the MacBook Pro 2018, we are concerned that it's too much at the expense of power users and professionals, the very people Apple are supposed to be targeting with the MacBook Pro. There's no doubt that the MacBook Pro 2018 15-inch is a powerful and desirable notebook that has a gorgeous design that's pretty much peerless when it comes to workstations. If you're an Apple fan and have the budget, you'll love this device. However, as a purely professional notebook, we still feel that Apple has lost sight of what pro users really want. In number 3 in our best laptops for photo editing list is Microsoft Surface Book 2. The Microsoft Surface Book 2 is the transformer of premium laptops. A detachable 2-in-1, the Surface Book 2 is among the most versatile machines on the market. Its unique fulcrum hinge lets you fold the display back flat, while the dock turns it into a detachable tablet. This flexibility is great for photographers who use a stylus and who frequently travel. Featuring a unique 3:2 aspect ratio, the 15-inch display on the Surface Book 2 is capable of producing 131% of the sRGB color gamut and has a maximum brightness level of 417 nits. Given its extremely high price, you'd expect top-of-the-line performance, and that's exactly what you get. The Intel Core i7-8650U processor and optional NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 GPU on high-end configurations will breeze through photo editing tasks. In number 2 in our list is Dell XPS 15 2-in-1. The XPS 15 2-in-1 is an excellent option for photo editors because of its InfinityEdge design that showcases one of the best displays we've ever seen. An optional 4K panel covers an impressive 160% of the sRGB color gamut and reaches brightness levels of up to 387 nits. The XPS 15 2-in-1 also packs enough power to run even the most demanding photo editing programs. The 15-inch laptop includes an 8th Gen i7 CPU, an AMD Radeon RX Vega MGL GPU. Those goodies are packaged in a compact, sleek carbon fiber chassis. The smallest and thinnest 2-in-1 device of its size is very impressive indeed, thanks in large part to its new hybrid processor, discrete graphics chip. AMD's Radeon RX Vega M graphics have given Intel's processors a real shot in the arm, overtaking even a laptop equipped with NVIDIA GTX 1050 graphics. All the while, this laptop maintains one of the thinnest profiles in its 15-inch class with mostly decent battery life. However, all of this power contained in such a small package comes with a high price, and it's also one of the loudest 15-inch laptops we've ever tested. If you can look past these issues, though, this is one of the most innovatively engineered and powerful, thin 15-inch laptops in years. And finally, the number 1 in best laptops for photo editing list is Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga is the best laptop for photo editing, thanks to its flexible design, gorgeous display and fast performance. While the 2K resolution on the X1 Yoga's display doesn't break records, it's plenty sharp for pixel peepers and has fantastic qualities, including brilliant colors, 201% of the sRGB color gamut, that are extremely accurate. It also gets blindingly bright at 477 nits. Photographers who prefer using a stylus will appreciate the touch-sensitive panel and flexible 2-in-1 design. With an Intel Core i7-8650U processor and NVMe SSD, the ThinkPad X1 Yoga can handle anything you throw at it. Additionally, artists and photographers inspired by nature won't need to worry about taking this durable laptop into the wild. The X1 Yoga passed 12 mil-spec tests. With much cheaper designs from Dell and HP that contain almost identical parts, this machine could be a tough sell at this price even to business customers. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more video like this in the futures. And if you have any question about this video, leave a comment and I will reply as soon as possible. See you soon.